In the next few seconds, this liquid is going to completely change. But what you see inside an egg before cooking is almost nothing like what you'll see after. The heat enters from below first, so the transformation starts at the bottom. It turns white because the egg's proteins unfold and link together when heated.
And the hotter it gets, the more of that liquid protein network sets. But the yolk is following a completely different transformation. Yolk proteins also set with heat, but they do it more gradually. That's why your egg white can be firm while the yolk is still runny. The longer you cook it, the more those proteins tighten and the yolk becomes firm.
And this microscopic transformation is what you were watching from the outside. So the next time you fry an egg, remember, you're watching proteins change right before your eyes.